Okay, we're gonna go check out the flood. That whole area is flooded. It's a park. You no longer see the park. And now it's starting to storm again. We're scared that it's gonna start raining and
they're getting out of here too.
Yeah. Just quickly go down there and go. It's pretty crazy. What's that truck doing? Maybe he thought he could go through it. Wow.
That's a car.
Where? Oh, there is a car underneath.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Well, that's really bad. Somebody must have just left it there and now they can't get it. Holy crap, it's right behind the courthouse too.
I'm sure that whole basement of the courthouse is flooded. This used to be the jail. They would have flooded.
Unbelievable. It's pretty crazy.
I've never seen it this bad.
Really crazy. And to see that car. Oh, I don't know what that guy's problem is. He's trying to go down in here for some reason.
God. I mean, that's where we sit on a
I know.
hill to watch the fireworks.
I know. There's like a hill over there and that's where we sit to watch the fireworks.
The church must be almost like covered.
Oh yeah.
Can't really see it.
No, you can't. Crazy.
They weren't kidding.
No.
So there wasn't a farmer's market today?
No. Guess not. Yeah, popped open.
Yeah.
Yep. I know.
Not your car.
No.
Somebody made a mistake.
Yes.
Yeah. So unfortunate. Wow.
Crazy. So this is the flood of 2017. Crazy.
Biggest
And
one
it's
since-
starting to storm again and rain. So
Yeah, this
I
isn't
don't know
good.
what's going to happen. You know, if it keeps raining, that's not good. Anywho, I just thought I'd take a quick little video of it and show you what we're going through
I have a
here.
feeling that whole, you know where we looked yesterday? I bet you that road's closed.
Oh, I bet it's closed.
least-
But we can go look. Maybe I'll take some more video. Anyways, bye-bye.